Let's take a look at what it takes to remove the Hotend assembly on the Elegoo Centauri carbon. First off, we can remove the shroud, no tools needed, it's just a couple of magnets at the bottom and it hangs on these pins. And then you remove this connector. Now we have the shroud completely removed. That was super straightforward. Next, we'll remove these two screws using a 2.5mm Allen key, and then don't forget to press the filament cutter or else you won't be able to remove the hot end in this next step. Now you can remove the connectors, and don't be a dummy like me and break the thermistor connector. I really believe that these connectors should be easier to remove and reassemble. They're selling these as a hot end assembly, which means that these are going to be removed and replaced on a semi-frequent basis depending on how often you're going to be replacing your nozzle sizes. Hopefully I can reach out and get one of these before June 30th. Now that we have it removed, let's just keep going. Use a 2mm Allen key to remove these two grub screws. The heat break portion is going to slide out the bottom. We can go ahead and remove the silicone sock, followed by the retaining clip, followed by the ceramic heater, and then finally the thermistor. And finally we can take the nozzle out of the front here, and now that I've gone through this whole process, I think it'll be a lot easier to just swap nozzles as opposed to entire hot end assemblies, but it will be nice to have a few hot ends on standby. I hope you liked that one. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm off to order a new thermistor. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see on the Centauri carbon going forward.